Hi there, welcome back to the Python networking tutorial series. In the previous video, we learned how to find your IP address in just a few seconds. Today, we're moving forward and learning how to ping a website using Python. We'll start with a quick and simple method using the OS module. This approach lets us send a ping request any host name, like google.com, and check if it's reachable. If the response is successful, we know the host is online. Otherwise, it's unreachable. This is a great way to quickly test network connectivity from within a Python script, but we can do more than just check if it's reachable. What if we also want to know how long it takes for the ping to come back? That's where the ping3 module comes in. This module lets us measure the actual ping delay, giving us a more detailed picture of the connection. Before using it, you'll need to install it using pip, just a quick command in your terminal. Once it's installed, you can use it to send a ping request and get the delay in seconds. If the ping is successful, you'll see the response time. If not, it will let you know the ping failed. Super simple and very handy for network diagnostics. All right, that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. If you're enjoying the series, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.